अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, अब्दुल्ला टेक में खुशामदीद। व्यूवर्स, आज हम आपको कंप्लीट गाइडेंस देंगे कि आप लोग यूट्यूब से पर 1000 व्यूवर्स पे कितनी अर्निंग कर सकते हैं और आप किस तरह से अपनी अर्निंग को इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं। YouTube is a great platform to make a significant amount of money. However, two factors are circular for successes on the video streaming platform: high quality work and consistency. Individuals who plan to earn from YouTube videos need a platform of dedication to make it a long term earning source. Beginners who plan to make money from YouTube often end up asking, how much do people with YouTube channels earn, or how much money can you produce through video marketing. When there is no one size fits all solutions, because it depends on a variety of elements such as video views, channel subscriber base, revenue streams, ad revenue, affiliate program, goods sales, sponsorship या partnership. How much money can you make with YouTube? Pays a small amount for every 1,000 ad impressions. The money you earn on YouTube depends on your YouTube channel, location, and the amount of time you give to it. Based on the location of viewers and the intended audience, YouTube monetization for 1000 views, also known as CPM, cost per mile, range for 0.5 to 6 US dollars on average. Although the figures vary, most channels are paid $0.5 for 1,000 views.